Hello you guys, I'm Tracy in case you are new here to my channel. Today is the first day of October and welcome to my channel. I don't know if I said that already, but if you are new here, I do invite you to subscribe down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more Halloween makeup tutorials, this will be my first one, and I plan on getting more Halloween makeup looks up for you guys. If you guys do have any requests, be sure to leave them down in the comments down below, and I don't want to take up too much of your time. If you are interested in creating this look here, then just keep watching.
There's a hope that's waiting for you in the dark. You should know you're beautiful just the way you are.
Alright guys, so I have my striped shirt and some overalls. You can also wear some suspenders if you have those. I'm going to start off this look by painting my face, and I kind of wanted to do this in a heart-shaped form. I'm using the Mayron white paint. When you're working with paints, you want to make sure that you coat it once and then let it dry and then coat it again to really intensify the color. I'm taking the Sigma liquid pen eyeliner and I'm going to use it to fill in my brows. I am an affiliate with Sigma. You can use my code at checkout to save some money. I also will be using other brands that I have an affiliate link with them, so make sure that you do check the description box down below. On the eyes, I'm going to use this Better Naked palette, and this is by Ruby Kiss Cosmetics. This is a drugstore brand that has just came out at CVS, and I wanted to keep my eyes very natural looking, only because I'm going to be doing a bold lip, so yeah. I'm going to darken up the crease with the color Unclad from the Better Naked palette, only because I'm going to be doing a little cut crease here. I've been getting several questions as to what brush I use for my cut creases, and I use my paint brushes to achieve like the perfect, most sharp line at your crease, and that's what I did here. I just received this palette from the Collective Cosmetics, and you can buy these eyeshadows individually. The one I'm going to take is Moonlight Morgue, and I thought this was a perfect shade to use at my lid. I just love the silver whitish reflex that it shows on camera and in person. I'm going to go ahead and move on and just darken up the outer edges. Here I'm just using a fluffy brush and making sure that this look is put together. I'm applying some Wander Beauty mascara, and the same eyeshadow that I use at the outer corners, I'm using it at the bottom lash line. I'm taking the Sigma Corderosa blush and just packing that on. I tried to use the Sigma liquid pen eyeliner to do this, but it wasn't working, so I suggest you either use paint or like a little brush type of eyeliner. You can draw a teardrop, whatever floats your boat. On the other eye, I'm drawing something that I always see on clowns. I know mimes aren't clowns, but you know, just doing whatever floats my boat. Be sure to paint over your lips because I forgot to. I received this beautiful package from Pixie Beauty, and I'm going to be taking the color Real Red, which is this one here, and just coloring the inside of the lips, not going all the way out. Girl, this year I'm on a budget. I picked this up from Walmart for $9.94, and I'm also going to be using toilet paper, a Q-tip, dip it into the liquid latex, and then just outline the mask. Well, the mask. So you're going to tear pieces of the toilet paper and then just put it where you applied the liquid latex. The concept that I'm going for is that the mime is who I am and it's not a mask, and somebody just tried to force it off, basically, okay? You'll get what I'm saying towards the end, so just hang on. I'm going to be using this injury stack that I picked up from Spirit Halloween, and it really does create like the dimension of a wound. So first I'm taking the color red and then just applying it all around. I made the mistake of not pulling on the liquid latex so that, you know, I really do create the wounded effect, but that's okay. I'm letting you know so that you don't make the same mistake. Moving on, I'm going to take this purplish color, it's like a brownish purplish, and then just adding it to the perimeter of the face. Taking the color black and then just repeating what I did with the other two colors, but black just really intensifies the entire look. If you do have a few pieces just hanging, you want to darken up underneath. That way it gives it that cool effect. I did this DIY blood that I'm planning to make a video for you guys on how I did it, because it's such a natural blood color and it drips like real blood. It's also edible. Alright, I'm gonna get into costume. Be right back. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this mime look. I sure did. I scared my dog and my boyfriend, so mission completed. Happy Halloween, you guys.